Hi there. Today we're backing out of a parking lot parking space. So we start the car, right foot on the brake, release the parking brake, place the gear selector to reverse. Now we're backing out of this parking space and then we're going to be going to the right. So what you do is check all around, make sure it's safe to do so. The wheels are straight, so you keep backing up. What you can do is put the left signal on. So you're going to back up, and the visibility is not clear because this truck is blocking my view. So I back up slowly and just keep checking. When the dash of the vehicle, my vehicle, is in line with the front of this vehicle, and there's a car or two cars approaching from the left. That's why it's so important that you constantly check around, because I could back up and someone could hit me and it would be my fault. So just wait for them to go. Alright, it seems clear. So the dash is in line. Oh, there's another one. This is a busy parking lot. So back up, get the turns into the left and keep checking all around as you back up, and you'll end up on the right side of the driveway. Place the gear selector to drive, straighten the wheel, and then drive off. Now we're making a right turn out of the parking lot. And we have a white line, so we stop at the white line. Can I see clearly? Yes, I can. So now I proceed. And it will be a right turn at this stop sign. There's a white line. Put my right signal on. Check left, right. I can see clearly. So I proceed. We end up on the right, but I'm making a left at the light, so signal left, check the shoulder, and move over to the right. Green light, and we end up in the passing lane. This is called the passing lane, and then you should move to the right. So signal right, check the mirror and the shoulder, move to the right if it's safe to do so. Then cancel the turn signal, and you keep driving. Speed here is 80. It says 80 begins, so that's the speed I'm driving at right now. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. Thanks for watching.